So, you spent the last hour enjoying your favorite book or watching your favorite TV show. You go and get up, your muscles have stiffened up, and you suddenly find yourself stuck in your chair. What do you do next? Hi, I'm Ron, the PT guy, and I'm going to empower you on how to get up out of that chair. Hey guys, I'm Ron from Empower Home Health Physical Therapy, and welcome back to the channel. If you're enjoying the content that we're putting out, please take a quick second to click that subscribe button and you'll never miss a new release. And of course, we love the likes and we love the comments. It's great for the algorithm, but most importantly, it helps us grow our community. All right, so let's go back to our example. We're gonna call our patient Roger. Here he is, he's enjoying his book by the fire. Best place to be in the world. So he's done with his chapter. The reading has given him an enormous appetite, so he wants to go to the fridge to get something to eat. So he tries to do that, and oh wait, his legs are stiff. He can't get up at all. Now he's getting a little frustrated because he's like, what does a guy have to do to get a snack around here? Have no fear, Roger. So we can remedy this, Roger, by doing this in 5 easy steps. Step 1, you want to get your bottom and you want to scoot it to the edge of the chair. Why, you ask? Because if you try to keep your weight back when you stand up, it is virtually impossible. I don't know why Roger is even trying this, but he is. And look at him, failing miserably. So what he can do instead is scoot up to the edge of the chair, so that way his legs can handle the weight that is on top of him. Step 2, what we want to do with his feet is we want to have a nice wide base of support, as we call it in our biz. A wide base of support provides enough balance to get up to a standing position. If you try to do this with a narrow base of support, meaning your feet are very close together, it's going to lead to a greater fall risk. And we don't want that, Roger, now, do we? So keep your feet wide and you'll be good to go for step 3. Now, step 3, you have to put your arms on the armrest. Now, why do we do this? Because your arms and your legs are going to work together to get you up. So that's a very easy step 3. And you're doing a great job there, Roger. Keep it up. Step number 4, and this is probably one of the more important steps in the process. We have to lean forward and shift our weight onto our feet. Okay, once again, in the PT biz, you'll hear this a lot, nose over toes. What we do when we say nose over toes is, we get our nose and shift our weight forward towards our toes. So that way, our weight is not behind us anymore, it is now right on top of our feet. And with our weight on top of our feet, we're almost ready to go, Roger. Hang in there. And step 5, what we want to use is that momentum to just put it all together, okay? So I always tell my patients to lean forward, lean back, and then kind of use that momentum to go forward, all right? So Roger, you hear me there? What you're gonna do is you're gonna lean forward, lean back, and as you lean forward again, you're going to push up with your hands and feet at the same time. Continue leaning forward, and there you go. Now you're up. Now you're standing. How do you feel, Roger? Yeah, I feel pretty good too. Now go ahead and get that snack. I'm Ron, the PT guy. I'm 48 years old, a part-time soccer coach, and a full-time husband and father. And I empower you to get up from that chair. But what if there's a walker in front of you? Click on this video and I'll show you how.